Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review look at Starlink's Battle for Atlas. So this is the Starship pad. This one is the Pulse. You can get them at GameStop for about 20 bucks. Kind of expensive. I got mine over at Target for $12.49. Because at Target originally they were going for about $24.99. So a little bit more pricey over at Target at GameStop, but didn't really know that Target was selling them. Unfortunately, I hadn't seen them at Walmart or Myers. I didn't even see them when we had Target that much. I know GameStop, they usually have these. So what do you get for 20 bucks in the Starship pad? One weapon, one Starship, one pilot. Why one weapon? I don't know. The Starships can hold two freaking weapons, but yet they effing give you one weapon. What was that? I don't know. If I was in charge, I would be like, each Starship wings could support two weapons. Let's put in two weapons instead of one weapon. Yeah. So this is the Pulse, which I believe is the name of the ship. Then you have Vulcan, which should be the gun. And then Crash Garshira, which is the pilot. Yeah. Made by Ubisoft. None of that. But I know you could get the weapons separately. And by separate I mean they come in a 2-pack. So